Welcome to the Inner Crave Show. My name is Leona. Thank you for tuning in. So today we're going to talk about how we develop these ideas and content. So the reason for all these ideas, some of them may be silly, some people may think they're stupid, some may be crazy, cuckoo, whatever you want to call it, is to show you guys how to open up your mind and think outside the box, how to create, how to use your imagination, how to let your imagination flow, how to be creative, how to develop, and how to come up with brighter and newer ideas. But you guys let me know, any of you guys who thought you weren't creative and watching these videos allowed you to be more creative. Your feedback and your suggestions and information would be very helpful. I want to know if I'm actually doing something, because I feel like I should share what I think I know and talent with everyone, so that way if I don't accomplish my dream of owning my own product development company, that at least my knowledge has been shared and it has helped someone else out there. Today we're going to discuss, what was it called again? Courtesy parking. So, what was it? I think it was July? Yeah, I think it was July, summer of 2012. I was taking a class, iOS app development course at NYU SCPS? yeah, School of Continuing Professional Studies. SCPS, yeah. NYU SCPS. And after the class, there's a pizza shop right there on 12th Street. And I went to the pizza shop, and I was like, let me get a pizza. So I was eating pizza, and I'm looking out the window of the pizzeria, and a car pulls out of the parking spot, and another car pulls in, and they get out. The person gets out the car, and then another car comes, and he can't park, so he's double parked, and I guess he's waiting for his family to come out the bowling alley that's right next to the pizza shop. And as I'm sitting there, I'm like, if that car had moved up more, and that car was back more, then that guy would have been able to fit in. While I'm eating my pizza, I'm seeing this, and I'm thinking this. So, whenever you're tackling something, or if you're not tackling something, I think most of the time you're more creative when you're not even trying to be creative. So you're in a relaxed position, in a relaxed environment, and you're just chilling, you're just relaxing. And you see something, and you're eating your pizza, and in the back of your mind is you're thinking, and you're like, if only they did that, and then that guy could come in. But you had to be concerned about that. If you don't give a crap, then you wouldn't be thinking about that. So I guess being thoughtful and curious are also good traits in being creative, and always asking what if, or why didn't this person do that, or why did that person do that. So asking why is also good in being creative. So if you're not thinking like that, you want to start thinking that way. You want to start asking why. You want to start asking what if. And after a while, you want to start giving solutions to it. You don't want to come across as complaining. You just want to ask a lot of questions and try to solve them. So then I said to myself, well, how can that be solved? And then I said to myself, oh, bingo, app. That's why there's so many apps out there. Because it's so easy to solve something with an app. I think that's why there's so many apps out there. And I was like, courtesy parking. And there'd be an app, and the app can be called courtesy parking. If a person parks properly, they would get points. So, say I came in, and I parked my car, and the person in front of me and the person behind me was really good. I could put in their license, I could take a picture of their license plate, and I can put it in. Whenever you take a picture of license plates into courtesy parking app, it gives that driver, if that driver is in courtesy parking, points, and if they're not a courtesy parking user, if they ever join and become a courtesy parking user, they will see that they already have points saved up, which they can use for all types of rewards. Why I say an app? Because how else would you get people to park right? There's no way to say that that person parked right or that person did that unless other people are giving feedback based on what they're seeing. And what can they use the points for, we ask? Well, if people park with courtesy, there's more parking space. There's more parking space, more people can park. Meaning if it's a business area, more business for the business, because I can park closer, I can buy more, I can just drop this in my car. If I gotta walk further, I gotta think about, I gotta carry all this here. Do I really want to stop here and get something here when there's no parking, or I know there's parking somewhere else, I'll just go and I'll just get parking somewhere else, and I'll buy my stuff somewhere else. Why go through all this hassle unless I really need this thing? And you may even have to create a new app for that. There's parking apps out there right now. They can put that feature in a parking app. You know, if the person parks correctly, so you don't have to go out and create a whole new app. You can just add that to a feature to an existing app. And that's how I came up with that. So let's rewind and let's recap. So we saw a problem. For some people that may not be a problem. Some people may be a problem. We saw a problem. What was the problem? The problem was cars are parking with huge gaps in between, in the front and in the back, where if they had parked correctly, they had another car could fit in with enough room behind each car for each car to get in and out safely. The second thing was, how do we solve that? And we decided that we could solve it with an app. You guys, I would say, tackle it, see what you come up with. May come up with something else. You know, I'm not saying that that's the only way to solve the problem. There could be other ways, but I was satisfied with the solution that I came up with, so I didn't go digging for others. In further episodes, I will show you how you can solve a problem, and even though you solve it, you run into other problems, and you may want to change the path and go somewhere else with a different idea. How a problem can have different solutions. So that's a solution that I came up with. You guys can come up with your own, and you know, maybe even be better than mine. So I'm not saying that this is the only way. Then after you come up with a solution, how can you implement that solution? How can you get that solution to work? And then we discuss that. We can put it in an app. It's easy to do. There's parking apps out there, so you can implement it into an existing parking app. If you create a new app, how can you get people to use it? By adding rewards. And you can add rewards in the parking apps right now. If you implement into that, or you can create your new app and add rewards. And how it would work is you would snap a picture of the license plate, and the license plate information would go into the system, and the person would get points for submitting it, and the other person who received it will get points. And you can go in depth with it, how to nitpick at everything to make sure everything is perfect, everything works smoothly. But we're not here for that. We're just here to open up your mind and show you how to be creative. So those are some things that you can do. And then you just go out and you develop and you implement. You know, you use that lean startup and see if it works. And if it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But you came up with an idea, which is pretty good. You know, you're learning, you're getting there, you're coming up. You keep it up, you may come up with that big idea one day. Thank you for watching this segment of the InnoCrave Show. If you liked this video or any of our videos, please subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Facebook, InnoCrave. Follow us on Twitter, InnoCrave. You can email me at innocrave@gmail.com, or you can send me a message through social media. If you guys have any questions, suggestions, feedback, if you're working on a project and you're stuck, or you may want another insight on it or some help, you know, feel free to share. I'm here to share my knowledge with you and hopefully learn as well as learn some stuff as well. Thank you and have a great day. Bye-bye.